What's up, crypto fam? Your favorite altcoin enthusiast is back to reveal my top 3 picks for the most promising low-cap gems that could absolutely explode in 2024. I'm talking 50x plus potential gains on these up-and-coming blockchain innovators, Tia, Sei, and Kas. Buckle up because this video will give you some major alpha on the next generation of crypto rockets before they leave the launch pad. Just remember, always do your own research too. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the deets on these future unicorns. First up, Tia. The native token powering Celestia is one of the most groundbreaking new modular blockchain designs aiming to solve major scaling limitations. Instead of a single monolithic structure, Celestia separates execution and consensus layers. This allows insane transaction speeds and throughput that can support global demand as crypto hits the mainstream while still retaining security. We're talking maybe millions of TPS in the future. Tia plays a crucial role in the modular architecture through staking and securing data availability across shards. As more apps build on Celestia, Tia demand and value will surge exponentially. The current circulating supply is still tiny, at just 17 million tokens. With a max of only 1 billion, Tia has massive room for scarcity to kick in as adoption grows. Based on the insane potential of Celestia's tech to upend blockchain scalability, plus the excellent tokenomics, I think Tia can easily see a 50x gain from today's prices. Alright, up next is Sei, the rocket fuel of Sei Network, a custom-built Layer 1 blockchain specifically optimized for lightning-fast decentralized trading. While chains like Ethereum and Bitcoin are more general purpose, Sei is laser-focused on speed, user experience, and features tailored for exchanges, market makers, and traders. It uses innovative dual consensus and parallel processing techniques to achieve up to 22,000 TPS and 500 millisecond transaction finality. This is key for winning over users from centralized platforms. Sei has a crucial role on Sei Network. It's used to pay gas fees, enable staking to secure the chain, and access profitable DeFi features built on the platform. As more trading volume migrates from CEXs, demand for Sei will skyrocket. Circulating supply is currently 10 billion, but most is locked for staking and platform incentives. Huge upside potential exists. Given analysts' predictions of a $2 trillion crypto market cap this cycle, plus fast-growing on-chain activity, I believe Sei can ride incredible momentum to over $50 plus. That's more than 50x from today. And finally, last but certainly not least, we have Kas, the narrative crypto asset powering Kaspa, an innovative hybrid blockchain combining Bitcoin's security with lightning speed. Unlike most other chains focused on going full proof of stake, Kaspa sticks with proof of work to retain Bitcoin's resilience against attacks. But it adds a unique block DAG structure to boost scalability massively. This allows blazing fast 1-second block times while retaining crypto's true decentralization and censorship resistance. Kaspa is already handling 2,500 TPS, but aims to reach an insane 100,000 plus in the future. With BTC's halving soon reducing new supply, plus increasing migration from slow networks, ultra-fast and secure Kas is primed to see exponential demand growth through 2024. Kas supply started highly deflationary, with zero pre-miner reserves. Current circulation is just 22 billion of a 28 billion total cap, and exchange listings are just getting started, offering amazing entry prices now. Given these incredible fundamentals and adoption trajectory, I believe Kas hitting $5 plus is well within reach during the peak 2024 bull mania. That's a 50x upside from today. So there you have it, folks. Tia, Sei, and Kas. 3 ultra-exciting cryptos with honest teams, revolutionary tech, and incredible real-world use driving rapid growth in their niche sectors. Each of these altcoins has truly parabolic upside potential ahead in 2024. We could be seeing them dominate crypto headlines all year long. Be sure to let me know your thoughts on Tia, Sei, and Kas in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want more alpha on up-and-coming gems, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss these time-sensitive calls. Alright, crypto fam, thanks so much for watching. As we head deeper into 2024 with Bitcoin's halving fast approaching, the hype is only going to build around tactical altcoin picks, like these that can massively outperform. But remember that nothing in this video was financial advice. I'll be covering more revolutionary blockchain projects on this channel all year long to ensure you stay ahead of the crowd for the biggest gains when FOMO and price discovery hit full steam. That's all for now though. This is your altcoin enthusiast signing off. See you next time.